In this lesson, we'll be exploring the revenue forecast feature. Choosing the right keywords is crucial to maximizing your profits and minimizing your costs. This applies whether you're doing SEO or running Google Ads. You need to consider metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and select long-tail keywords with reasonable conversion rates. But here's the kicker. Choosing keywords based on these metrics alone does not guarantee you'll be profitable. To solve this problem, we built the revenue forecast filter. Revenue forecast is a tool that estimates the number of sales you could make if you were ranking at the top of Google for a specific keyword. It's based on the ESKP metric, which stands for Estimated Sales Per Keyword Position, and predicts the number of sales you can make from each position on the search engine results page. Let's look at how this metric does its magic. This is the formula that calculates ESKP equals volume search per keyword times click-through rate times conversion rate. Volume search per keyword is the average monthly search volume on Google for any given keyword. CTR or click-through rate is the percentage of users that click on the keyword. CR or conversion rate is the average conversion rate in 100 sessions. In other words, how many sales are made for every 100 visits. Being able to calculate your revenue before you even start a marketing campaign will stop you from coming up with overly positive predictions. Just note that the revenue forecast function is only suitable for keywords with a transactional intent. That is, keywords that lead to a sale. It's not ideal for informational intent keywords. This is because the conversion rate of information intent keywords is usually not as high as that of transactional keywords. Okay, now let's roll up our sleeves and set up a forecast. Click the forecast filter to activate it. Across the top, you'll see click-through rates for your keyword in a number of positions, from number 1 to the top 3, top 5, and top 10. This CTR data comes from Google and varies across devices, locations, and product categories. However, you can use this CTR tracker from advancedwebranking.com to estimate the appropriate numbers for each position if you wish. I'll show you how that's done in the use case coming up. Once you're happy with the CTR estimates, tick the estimated position for your keyword in the SERPs. Let's say our keyword is in the top 3. Next, fill in your conversion rate, revenue per conversion, and expected revenue, and let WriterZen's revenue filter do the number crunching for you. By the way, you'll find a link to that CTR tracker in the info panel. Now let's run through a use case example. Let's say we're a business selling golf club sets. Our goal is to earn $250,000 a month with sales from organic traffic. To achieve this, we need to choose the right keywords, and to do that, we're going to use the revenue forecast filter in WriterZen. Here's my keyword search for golf club sets. I've already used the golden filter to narrow my list down to the keywords with the most potential to rank. In this case, I have just over 1,800 keywords. Let's do a revenue forecast. I'm going to use the CTR tracker from advancedwebranking.com to figure out my CTR numbers. I'll leave the location as US, all devices, and I'll use the latest data. Then I'll set the category to sports only. You can see that for the top ranking keyword in this category, the average CTR is 24.89%. For the top 3, it's 9.79%. For the top 5, it's 4.9%. And for the top 10, it's 1.31%. I've plugged those numbers into the revenue forecast tool. Let's set our keyword position to the top 5. Next is the conversion rate. There are many variables that affect conversion rate, such as the article type, the intent, the quality of the article, and of course, the offer itself. The easiest way to find out your conversion rate is by running a Google Ads campaign for your chosen keyword and then measuring the number of sales for every 100 visitors to your website. If you make 5 sales, your conversion rate is 5%. Conversion rates do fluctuate depending on the time of year and other external factors, but generally they don't fluctuate too much. For our example, let's say we have a conversion rate of 5%. And let's say the average revenue per conversion is $500. And finally, the expected revenue per month is our goal of $250,000. The ESKP report updates in real time and shows you all the numbers based on your data. The estimated traffic is based on your CTR once you reach the keyword position you set as your goal. The estimated sales is based on the estimated traffic and the conversion rate. The estimated revenue is based on the average price per one conversion. Translating a keyword position into a monetary value enables you to get a clearer picture of your ROI in terms of time, money, and effort. And finally, the goal difference is your estimated income minus your sales target. So let's run through the different keyword positions to see how the numbers look. If we go ahead and invest our time and effort into ranking these keywords based around our seed golf club set, or we run a Google Ads campaign, here's what we can expect in 1 month. If the keyword list holds the average top 1 position, we could sell around 1,997 sets for $988,500. If the keyword list holds the average top 3 positions, we could sell around 786 sets for $393,000. If the keyword list holds the average top 5 positions, we could sell around 394 sets and earn $197,000. And if the keyword list holds the average top 10 position, we could sell around 105 sets and earn $52,500. The final piece is figuring out the cost of running your campaign, whether it's an SEO campaign or a Google Ads campaign. You need to figure out the cost of creating your content or the cost of running your ads. For your ads, you can use the Google Ad Planner. Once you know your campaign costs and your profits from the revenue forecast, you can calculate your bottom line to see if it's worth investing in this list of keywords. In this example, our goal was $250,000 a month. At this point, we have 2 options. Invest in an SEO campaign aiming to rank this keyword list in the top 3, or aim to rank in the top 5 and expand our keyword list until we hit our revenue goal. The revenue forecast function enables businesses to visualize revenue and profit if they execute a campaign successfully. Figuring out the numbers before you take action is a smart move. It can help determine your strategy and clarify your goals. Go ahead and play with the revenue filter and see how things stack up in your campaign.